Thank you for participating.
Got second place. Woohoo!
2, 3, go! Take a drink every once in a while. It helps. Take a drink. Use it. Oh my gosh, are the girls going? Come on, let's cheer them on. First place. We got first place right here. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. We've got second place right here. Keep going. Keep going. Third place. All right. Is to eat this pie as quickly as you can. All right. And it can't be on the table all scattered up. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. How we doing, judges? Judges, we got somebody with their hand up. Judge, we got first place right here. First place, keep going, keep going. Let's go, we got second place and third place yet. Second place right over here, second place. Go. I need third place, who's gonna get it? How we doing here?